Hello traders, many people have been asking me about what is the alternative prop firms that you can actually use. And as of now, we actually need to be thinking of diversifying our risk instead of putting all eggs in one basket. Today I'm gonna show you few prop firms that is actually outside from US and Canada. So I've been personally using these different prop firms here. Some of them I already get payouts. Some of them I'm still doing challenges at the moment. And I'm gonna show you the detailed comparisons of these prop firms right here. So let's straight to the point right here. This is the 4 prop firms outside of US and Canada. Alright, Funded Next is from UAE and True Forex Funds from Hungary, and Funded Engineer is from UAE as well, and FTMO is from Prague. So this is the 4 prop firms that I'm currently using. Some of them I've been getting payouts, some of them I'm still doing the challenges, but these prop firms has been some while and they are reputable. So today I'm gonna use 100k challenge as the control point to compare all these prop firms. Alright, so the account type is slightly different right here, but the account size we're gonna use the 100k as the base. So first one we have Funded Next. This is the Stellar Challenge, and then 2 Forex Fund, that's timeless funding and standard funding. And then Funded Engineer, I'm using their standard account as the base right here, and FTMO I'm using the normal account type, which is the standard account as well. Right here you can see. So first thing we're gonna compare is what is the price, right? The price right here is before discounts, which means the original price is shown on the website, and it's based on US dollar. Alright, so the price for Funded Next is 519, and the price for 2 Forex Funds is 549, and then Funded Engineers 575, and FTMO is in between the most expensive one. But the thing is, alright, you guys need to check out the website or check out their social media, Instagram of this prop firm time to time about the discount. So Funded Next, there's discount going on. True Forex Fund, there's discount going on. Funded Engineer, there is also discount going on, except for FTMO. FTMO is well known to be the pioneer and well known to be expensive right here. So if you guys interested, check out the website of Funded Next, 2 Forex Funds, Funded Engineer for the discount, and I shared the link inside my descriptions and the comment section. So next up, what is the liquidity provider these prop firm are using, which means the broker they are using. So we can see Funded Next using their own broker right here called Growth Next. True Forex Funds, same, using their own broker, True Proprietary Funds, and then Funded Engineer actually using third-party liquidity provider, which is Purple Trading, Bull Bear Markets, Think Markets. Alright, so you guys can also check it out on the website which one you should actually choose. And finally, FTMO is also using their own liquidity provider, their own FTMO server in terms of the broker. And the leverage right here, pretty much you guys can see most of them have 1 to 100 leverage, except for Funded Engineer 1 to 50 leverage for the standard account, but they do have 1 to 100 leverage on different account. And bear in mind, 1 to 100 is what they're shown on the website, but they might have a smaller leverage to indices or smaller leverage to commodities. So make sure to check out before you click the buy button. So with the no time limit announced by almost all the prop firms right here, pretty much to say every prop firm had no time limit. But the interesting thing right here about 2 Forex Fund is you can actually choose time limit or no time limit for your challenges, but the one that with time limit on phase 1 and phase 2, you can get actually a cheaper price right here. Next one, we're gonna look at the profit target of each prop firm. So most of the prop firms having 8% on the phase 1 and 5% on phase 2, except for FTMO right here is having still 10% profit target. And bear in mind, today we are looking into comparing the standard challenge. So that's also one phase challenge, so other type of challenge that's going on with different profit target. that you need to take a look on. Next up is gonna be the daily drawdown and the maximum drawdown of the prop firm. So right here pretty much it's all the same. We have 5% daily drawdown and 10% maximum drawdown for all the prop firms right here. Next up, check out what is the profit split from the prop firm. So we can see 90% from non-funded next, 80% from True Forex ones for first paid out, and then 80% from Funded Engineer, 80% on FTMO. Please take note that this profit split can be vary if they are doing ongoing promotions or ongoing discount with a higher profit split. And this profit split can be actually upgrade from the scaling plan as well. From different prop firms have different scaling plan. And every prop firms right here, they actually provide 100% refund. Funded Next actually provide 150% refund at this moment. And what is the bonus if you actually survive to your first payout? Right, after you pass phase 1, phase 2, and you manage to get your first payout, is there any bonus? So Funded Next provide 15% challenge profit split right here, which means you get 15% from phase 1 and phase 2 upon your first payout if you made 5% on your funded account. Alright, that's term and condition. Make sure to check out on the website. And other than that, there's no specific bonus that I try to find on other prop firms, but all the prop firms right here, they have their own scaling plan. So for example, Funded Engineer actually provide salary to you after you have been withdrawing profits for 3 months. You have been profitable for 3 months. That's actually a scaling plan with a salary as a bonus as well. And the first payout after you get your funded account, after you take your first trade on your funded account, what is the days that you need to wait until your first payout? So Funded Next right here, they need to wait 28 days, which is slightly longer compared to other prop firms right here, which having just 14 days, which means 2 weeks that you can actually get your first payouts. The payment method right here is most likely to be due or crypto, except for FTMO. They don't provide due payment, they only provide wire transfer or crypto. And last but not least is the reputations here they have on the Trustpilot reviews. So you guys can check it out on Trustpilot website as well. So we have 4.7 on Funded Next, 4.8 for True Forex One, 4.7 on Funded Engineer, and 4.9 for FTMO. So I will not say which is the top or the best prop firms right here after my FF incident, but we are choosing the prop firm outside of US and Canada to avoid the same case of my FF happen again. Of course, with that said, from that incident, we need to learn how to diversify our risk. So let's say you have the budgets of 100k challenge, you can actually thinking of diversify your risk and split it into 250k challenge in different prop firm. So you don't have to only put all your money in one basket. So we are actually diversifying our risk. At the meantime, you can also compare each other and see which prop firm has a better trading conditions while trying to pass the challenge, while trying to get a payout. So that's about it for today's video. Let me know which prop firm will you choose in the comment sections below, and see you on the next video.